Hey, what's up, everyone? Bonus Eventus here, going over our Friday, October 7th trade, where we did Tesla 230 puts. We made 265% profits on these things, and here's how we did it. So first thing that we saw on Tesla was that it was gapping lower in the pre-market. As you can see, it was just below this 235 area. This was pretty significant because, as you can see in the prior days, we had a lot of support at 235. So a lot of people were buying at this area. Now, if we got a huge gap down in the pre-market, there was a pretty big chance that this thing was going to sell off during the whole day. So we were going to look at getting into these right off the open because it was also near the 235 area, making it very easy to enter into right off the open because it was used to be a significant support level. Now it's resistance. Based on that, getting in these right off the open, where are we going to sell? Well, we had these three different support levels. If we scroll over a little bit here, you can see why I picked these. All were areas where you could have take profits. We really wanted to touch down to this 225 area because that's what I felt was the most significant. It did go quite a bit lower, as you can see here, down to 222, but we took profits at 225. Now, how did this trade pan out in terms of what it looked like during the day? So here you can see we entered these right up the open, also alerted these live in our Discord, as you can see above, as well as where we took profits. So we entered these right on the open. It did bounce off this 231 area, but I was confident enough that this thing was going to move lower throughout the day. And so we, if it did reverse and this ended up being a losing trade, we would have taken a loss. But I was confident it was going to move lower. So we just held on through this initial 10, 15 minutes of chop. And then it did move lower. Now, we did have to hold these things for a while. As you can see, it bounced off on pretty much all our support levels here. So there's one bounce, there's two bounce, and usually on the third bounce, I always like to see three bounces, and then that's usually a good sign of where either a stock will either reverse or it'll just trend sideways. As you can see, it did trend sideways after the last bounce, although it didn't bounce off to 25 like I expected. But this is where we took profits, as you can see above in the alert that we sent out on our Discord. And that's how the trade went. Huge trade. Got these things at $1.64, exited at $6, 265% profit. It doesn't get that much better. And then we took the rest of the day off. So if that was beneficial for you guys, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It does really help as I'm growing this channel and giving advice and showing these trades, how they work out for us. Hope this was useful for you guys, and we will catch you all next time.